back with another video. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to get a free haircut. How to get my free haircut. Who does it? I do it. I cut my own hair. I'm going bald already. But, let's get to it. I cut my hair here in my bathroom. So what I do, first I start from the top, up here. And what I do, I use the ear tapers. This is what creates the fade. Well, actually, on this side, I do a number 1 open. This side, I do use a taper. Okay, this one I gotta taper it. I gotta fade it in, blend it in. So I need the other side, which is here. Let's get to it. This is how I get a free haircut. I mean, it's good to go pay to go get a haircut because you don't go through the difficulties. You just sit down and then just cut your hair, and it comes a lot more neater. I mean, my cuts come pretty neat too. So that's what I do. I go all the way around the back with the taper. Try to go a little bit higher. So this is coming together. The one that's there, you see. So now this one, the one open, I believe that's open. I do this one. Oops, what's going on here? I need oil. No. It was just not on right. With this one, I go all the way. I just hold my hair to the side. Oh no, I went too far. When you go get a haircut, you won't be stressing. Well, I mean, I'm used to it already. See, because I do a comb over, so I kind of leave the line there and just cut the sides. Then I use this mirror. To fade it. Pretty simple. Same thing with this end. Just fade it in. Let's see how long it's going to take me to cut my hair. I leave all the hair fall in here, and then I just clean it. been cutting my hair for quite some time. Since I was in elementary school, I've been cutting my own hair. I mean, I got into the barber shop and paid to get it done. But then I just got too lazy to go into the barber shop. I'm like, you know what? I'll do it right here. I'll do it in my own place. Pretty quick. And not only that, I'll save me some money. Because nowadays, I don't even know how much a haircut goes for. A men's cut. I remember I used to pay $12 to get a haircut, $14. Nowadays, ain't nothing like that. And not only that, tip. You got a tip, barber. So it's coming along. Just got a clean floor here in the back. Fade it in a little bit more. It's coming together. Thing's breaking loose now. So that's that. So now I'll just do the side. right, so that's that. Still gotta do the top, but gotta do the back. Actually get this mirror. So you guys can cut your own hair now. It's pretty easy. You just gotta be patient, but I'm kind of doing it quick. Now I use 5 up top. I use 5. 5 man. It's right here. Close. And then just go over it with 5. Just get it short, get it trimmed up. This is how I cut my hair. Pretty easy. Then on this side right here, I gotta like kind of fade it up a little bit. So I'm gonna use a number 2. And let's just fade it in. So it can blend in. So you get that, I don't know if you see it, pretty even now. That's it. Pretty much that's it. That's it, it's pretty simple. What did I do it in? 13 minutes so far. Probably a good 20 minutes if I take my time. Just go over it a couple more times. Make sure there's no other hair, anything. Pretty simple. We're done. Done. That's it. 15-minute haircut, done. All I gotta do is just see how it looks with a little bit of gel. If I missed any spots, I can tell. Pretty much that's it. There was my cut. Done. Free cut. 15 minutes. And I'm on hair. not young hairy, but I got hair all over me. But that's it. Simple, done. 15-minute cut. Look around with it. Looking good. Done. That's it. Now all I gotta do is just clean my mess. That's it. That's it. That's it. Simple as that. Cut your own hair just how I did. See you guys in the next video. Peace.